Are these any good? Have you ever tried these wellness drinks from Walgreens? I haven't. My friend Jeannie, who gets me so much stuff to review and to sample, gave me these, and I'm going to sample them and report back to you. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video if appropriate. Let's see what these things are all about. The nutritional shakes from Walgreens are supposed to contain 30% less sugar and 30% fewer calories than what, I'm not sure. They're made with real milk, they are gluten-free, and they are suitable for people who are lactose intolerant. The entire container is one serving, 8 ounces, contains 220 calories, 9 grams of protein, and 24 other vitamins and minerals. They're comparing it to Ensure. I guess that's how it has the 30% less sugar and 30% fewer calories. The 24 vitamins and minerals are listed here. I chase calcium and iron. It does have iron in it, 25%. It does have calcium in it, 30%. There's a very long list of the ingredients. Some people might be really upset by some of those ingredients, but they're really just the names of the vitamins and minerals. It does contain soy. It's put out by Walgreens. Satisfaction's guaranteed. And there's the info. Here's a still shot of the ingredients that may be more clear. Let's have the traveling version of milk and cookies, shall we? Thank you, Brittany, for the cookies. Peeled off the seal. And this is what it looks like before I pour it. It smells a little like canned milk. Which, if you've ever had an Ensure or a weight loss drink, like Slim Fast or Walmart's brand, smells like that. Which those things are not bad. See how it tastes. Not bad. It's a little chalky, but it's doable. I'm used to drinking protein drinks, and they don't taste like milkshakes, but I'm also used to eating blizzards, and it's not bad. It's not melted ice cream, it's not a milkshake, but if you like those flavors and need the nutrients, I could do that. I'm gonna have some milk and cookies. Thank you for watching my video review of the Walgreens Wellness Shakes. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. And until next time, let's help each other be healthy. Before you go, watch one of these videos.